No, you're gonna leave now. They don't want you here.
I'm dehydrated.
All right, you can take your drink and walk somewhere else.
You know, this camera's in is ridiculous, right?
I know. Yeah.
You guys are gonna make me trouble like this.
No, I'm not. They don't want you here. Leave the property.
It ain't that hard, buddy. Just take a walk.
Turn. Turn. Fucking fuck. He's kicking something. I'm gonna spray him, dude. You guys are gonna find out when the police get here. You have no idea. We are the police, you dummy.
No, you don't understand. You really don't, guys. I've been saying you should walk in 5 minutes.
You just want to tase him? All you had to do is walk away.
Once again, I was just a guy drinking a glass of water.
Stay over there, ladies.
Once again, I was a guy just no, get closer, please, because the other police are about to be here soon. You're gonna find out what's about to happen right now. You guys are just on camera. Your brothers are gonna get you. Your brothers are gonna get you.
Let's just hold him until the rest of the guys get here.
Right now. Give us your hand. Nope, you're about to find out right now. He's got the carpet. I'm not joking. Hold him.
He's breaking my grip.
Almost every officer from the entire police department now arrives on scene.
1033.
You got it?
Hold on. Look, I got one. I got one cuff. Dry stun him. Alright, tase him.
Yeah.
Go ahead and dry stun him. Ah, the fuck! Nah, get it! The fuck! Hey, you're gonna get him again! Hey, give us your hand!
Hand behind your back.
You're gonna get him again!
Hand behind your back.
You're gonna get him again!
Dude, put your hands behind your back.
On the camera.
On the camera. So, you guys try to do nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
Another one.
Stop!
I got one.
Don't get.
Put your
Get
hands
that
behind your back.
left arm. Get that left arm out. It's up by his head.
Dude,
What the f*** are you doing?
Put your
put
hands
your
behind
arm
your
back.
back.
There you go.
Hold on.
Put it back or you're going to get tased again.
No, we got him.
Alright, he's in custody.
How about, whoa.
1 to 10. Hobble?
Feet, yes.
Hobble. Hey, I got a hobble in my back seat.
Let's not play with it.
My, prisoner compartment.
Lawyer
Making it
response
more difficult, man.
against lawyer response.
Got him.
No.
Stop, dude.
Stop resisting.
Ow.
Go. Got him.
Alright, one arm, legs.
Grab him.
Hey, let's go feet first.
Yeah.
Just feet in there. Get off my mag, bro.
On your knees. Good? Yeah. Sorry. James, I'm serious. You can stop now. No, it feels good.
Dude, what'd you take?
Water, I didn't take anything.
Huh?
I didn't take anything. I need water. I was literally
So
Gonna go to homeless
you all
shelter, that's
hyped
it.
up, dude.
I was literally gonna walk. If you look at the camera on the tape, I literally was just gonna walk away. There was someone driving. I was dancing. I was gonna drink the water and go to a homeless shelter, sleep on the beach, something like that, and totally leave. I was literally just drinking the sip of water because I was so dehydrated. That's it. And a protein shake. That's
Okay,
it.
well, once we're here and try to detain you, man, all you gotta do is follow your
understand.
instructions, not fight us, man.
I understand.
You're just making it.
I understand. I don't want because I understand there's more important stuff going on. I don't want you guys.
I understand that too, but then
Yeah.
you just made it a whole big debacle now.
I completely understand.
What's your first name? Huh? What's your first name? You don't want to tell me your first name? Once again, you're just making it more difficult because you're gonna get another charge.
It's fine. You're just gonna give me a charge. There you go.
Well, you're gonna get another one for failing to identify yourself if that's which route you want to go.
Yeah. If you want to do that.
Well, man, I'm trying to be cool with you, but if you wanna go play the difficult route, then we can go that route. or we can act like adults. Are you homeless?
Yeah, I need to go to a homeless shelter. I can't.
Okay, well, okay. So I'm trying to ask you questions once
Yeah.
again.
Yeah, I'm home.
You're homeless, so you don't have a local address or anything.
Correct. Yeah. I'm in
How long have you been down here? How long have you been in Fort Lauderdale?
I'm just waiting till it's
Huh?
I'll wait till I speak to my attorney with the cameras away and everything.
Okay. So you don't want to give me your name?
I'd rather just wait to speak to my attorney.
Okay. So.
I'd rather speak to my attorney because he did absolutely nothing wrong, and I want to be
Okay,
released
that's
and all
fine.
that. That's it.
So you are failing to identify yourself to me, correct?
Yeah, you're supposed to let me talk to my attorney or let me go and go to a homeless shelter, and I promise I'll stop making.
Okay, sir, you won't even give me your name, so
No, but
that's not an option right now. I'm trying to talk to you like an adult, just asking you to identify who you are, and you won't even tell me that.
John Smith.
John Smith.
Yep.
What's your date of birth?
I give it to you.
Huh?
I just need to drink. I need another glass of water, and I need to leave and go to the homeless shelter. And that's
Okay,
it.
well, right now that's not an option, because one, you won't tell me your name and date of birth.
You have to release me. I already know this.
John Smith probably is not your name.
I
'cause
already know
that's-
this. You've done nothing wrong. The camera's there. I already know this.
Okay, so we'll look at the cameras, but what's your name?
Can't give you that. I said John Smith. I need to.
John Smith. What's your date of birth, John Smith? Alright, well, I mean, it can't really help you much try to get in shelter when you won't give me your name. Because unfortunately, you have to not have any warrants or anything to get in a shelter, so I would need to run you.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I have to say John Smith. So
Okay, alright. Well, I
I'm
guess
sorry,
you're
officer. I apologize for that.
I'm trying to treat you like an adult.
I understand. I apologize. I was doing
So,
something.
that's fine. We'll just add another charge to you.
Yeah. It's Patrice.
Huh?
It's Patrice.
Patrice?
Yeah, Patrice.
Your name is Patrice?
Yeah, it's Patrice.
What did you take today?
I need to drink water. If you look at the tapes, I came out, this nice gentleman inside was giving me water. I literally need to walk down the street and go sleep. That's literally it. That's literally what I was about to do. He said take a walk, and that's it. Oh no, I have an Airbnb. Guys, can you do that?
Don't move.
Don't move.
Yep, you got
Face
it.
away. Face
That
away.
way. Alright.
I was going to give you my ID.
What's your ID?
No, I was going to give you my name and where I live and stuff
Okay.
like that.
What's your name?
My name's Patrice. And I've been staying at Fort Lauderdale. It's Airbnb right down the street. Yeah, it's right over the bridge.
And what's your first name?
Patrice.
Patrice?
Yep.
What's your first name?
It's Patrice, P-A-T.
That's your first name.
Yes, correct.
Okay. All right, Patrice.
Patrice, yep.
Imagine this, you're a rookie cop and it's your first time working the night shift. You show up, you get out the car, you're 140 pounds soaking wet, and that's with police equipment. You gotta do something. Can't leave? Well, that's exactly what happened here. This guy does not want to leave. He's standing outside the Speedway in Fort Lauderdale, Florida with no shirt and no shoes. They attempt to take him into custody and one cop gets a face full of extra large ice, right? And right from there, the fight is on. Now, this guy could potentially be on some sort of mind-altering drug, but it took like 7 cops for them to get this guy into custody, right? I did hear the cops say that he was going to deploy the taser. And what they did do is use a dry stun method. And what the dry stun method is, they don't use the projectiles. They take the projectiles off and just hold the taser up to his skin, right? Now, what that seemed to do is just make him more angry. Now, it looked like it took the whole department to get this guy into custody and put him in the back of that police vehicle. Now, he wasn't given the right names, and you can tell that he was not really all there, but it worked out, and it worked out for the best, and they was able to get him into custody safely.
This suspect was charged with 2 counts of assault on a peace officer, disorderly intoxication, trespassing, resisting with violence, and obstructing. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.